Okay, so in this video, I'm still working with the Maze Runner game, but instead of actually using my cursor to control it across the screen, I'm going to be using a motion sensor that we did use with the dice roller a few videos ago. So instead of creating an accelerometer class and gyroscope class, I pretty much just implemented the important parts of the gyroscope class that I was going to use because I was doing the rotations, not the movements of the accelerometer. So right here I have my variables of a sensor manager, of a sensor, and of a sensor event listener. And I have this is pretty much where my controls are. So I have a few if statements. So you can see I have type gyroscope because that's what I'm using. So I have Rx and Ry as my variables for the coordinates. So if Rx is greater than 1, it'll move right. If Rx is less than 1, it'll move, or less than -1, sorry, it'll move left. If Ry is greater than 1, the direction is up. If Ry is less than -1, it goes down. So those are the main controls. I have a sensor register, so it'll actually register the information in. Most of this is the same from the last video, and I have, actually right here, I have the sensor manager, and again I'm putting it as a type gyroscope, and it creates the maze. So that's that's about it. So here's my maze. I'm just gonna do a 5x5 because this can take a little longer. If you drag it a lot, that's what I found makes it not work. So I'm gonna go a little slowly, like that. And X. And then go down. And then it takes a little bit, but and then when I'm still having that thing, so when you finish it, it'll restart the maze like that. So that's pretty much how this works. It just kind of takes a little bit with some of the mazes, but you can do it with multiple types. I could just do like a 10x10, but it works how it should, and that's my video.